Are you struggling with how to effectively use the Crochet Latch hook in installing Crochet Locs singles, or are you spending hours trying to get the technique just right? Well, say goodbye to the frustration and hello to a faster, easier way. In today's video, I'm showing you some pro crochet needle hacks that would change your crochet installation game. So stay tuned to make sure you don't miss a moment. First things first, make sure your hair is sectioned into neat parts before you begin. This keeps the locks evenly spaced and looking professional. Neat parts also help prevent overcrowding and make the installation process smoother. Next, when creating the singles on the natural hair, you want to ensure you work in small sections. Working with smaller sections helps create a more secure and natural look. It also makes it easier to manage the hair and prevents the locks strand from feeling bulky after inserting the natural hair into the locks. Crochet locks give the illusion of fullness without being heavy. Unlike traditional faux locks, they don't weigh down your natural hair, making them a great option for all hair types, even fine or thin hair. When inserting the crochet hook, keep it angled low and close to your scalp. This reduces tension and makes it easier to pull your natural hair through the locks without discomfort. Before you pull the hook back through, always double check that the latch is closed. An open latch can snag your natural hair or the locks, causing unnecessary breakage or discomfort. If your latch doesn't snap shut on its own, use your finger to gently push it closed. Take your time when pulling your natural hair through the locks. Slow and steady wins the race. Rushing can lead to snagging or uneven results. If the hair gets stuck, stop. Reposition the hook and try again. Never force it through. To y'all who always support my channel with your likes, comments, and shares, I'm using this moment to say a huge thank you. And if you just joining the gang, make sure that you never miss out on the fun. All right, let's see who's been paying attention. Here's a quick question for you. What should you always do before pulling the hook back through the lock? A, tug the lock to tighten it. B, keep the latch open. C, make sure the latch is closed. And D, pull quickly to save time. If you chose C, you are absolutely correct. Keeping the latch closed prevents snagging and protects both your natural hair and the lock. Let me know in the comments if you got it right. When attaching the lock, hold it gently but firmly. Too much force can damage or loosen the lock extension. Supporting the lock with one hand while pulling the natural hair singles through the crochet locks gives you better control and prevents stretching or tearing. If you want your crochet locks to look even more natural, apply a lightweight mousse after installation. This helps smooth out frizz, helps blend your natural hair with the locks, and gives you that fresh salon finish look. And there you have it, y'all. The perfect crochet latch hook techniques perfect for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy styling.